kind of funny how weird people are about cameras. For some reason, if you have like a camera with a detachable lens, suddenly people get wigged out. They're like, oh my God, there's some guy with the camera. And then whenever you just like have your phone, people are just like, oh yeah, it's just some guy with his phone. Alright, so today we are out in the western side of the Crossroads. Going to be taking some pictures, and I just got out of the gym. Don't mind me being a little out of breath, but I need to get out and shoot more because I need more practice. Not really sure what to expect. Figure I may as well take some pictures of the gym while I'm here. Lock le car. So sequence. This is the gym. It's the spot. Best place in Kansas City, in my opinion, because it's the most affordable rock climbing gym, and on Saturdays they have yoga. Where are we at? Extremely blown out. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to expect, but let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of this coverage of the paint they have. So they got some pretty sick art, not gonna lie. Whoop, and avoid getting hit by cars, that'd be kind of nice. Okay. Sick. This fucking thing. What is this? What the f? Alright. I wish these cars weren't here so you could actually get to see like everything they have here, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'd probably have to come down here in like the early morning. But look at this. That looks dopish. Oh, they even have like a little foot thing so you can like see where you're supposed to stand. Guess I should like stand on it. Although it's too, the lens is too wide to actually get it right. Sick. So down the way over here, there's a place called Swans. That's a creperie, and they have some good food. I think I'm gonna walk down here and take some pictures of it, because why not?
Well, it's something to do.
And get a wide shot, and then maybe some close-ups. I love the vibe over here, having the hills and look at these. Look at this little. God damn it! Why aren't you focusing? It's probably because it's not turned on. And the little fish too. I wonder if I can see the Western Auto sign from here. Can we see here? Why? Keep having my turned off like a dumbass. Too wide. It's kind of funny how weird people are about cameras. For some reason, if you have like a camera with a detachable lens, suddenly people get wigged out. They're like, oh my God, there's some guy with the camera. And then whenever you just like have your phone, people are just like, oh yeah, it's just some guy with his phone. It's like, I don't get it. People are bro.
Listen, I'm not doing anything illegal here.
I don't know what it is about the Western Auto sign, but it's a very iconic look. No, whatever that thing is. Abadara or Abadara? I don't know. Abdiana. What the hell's Abdiana? And you can see everything from here. So, where to get? I'm gonna go up there and take some close-up pictures of the logo, and then the people on the inside are gonna be like, This looks interesting. Nottingham. I assume this is just like apartments. I don't know why, just a big wide shot always looks cooler. Huh. Wonder what that's all about.
It's cold.
Huh. Yeah. Shout out Clever Fools. I guess they're now street warehouse. It's kind of cool. You know, that gives me like Joker vibes. Boom. It's kind of fun to wander around and see what happens. I try not to get too fixated on getting a certain shot because sometimes you can overanalyze things and just not appreciate the little stuff. Kind of like this. Yeah, boy. I wonder what it would be like to live down here. Seems like it'd be super busy, but also pretty nice if you're into that. The KC Cork Dork. I wonder what's up with that. Might be an interesting picture though if I get this zoom lens going on. Bit of zippity doo-dah, a zippity day. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Why are you like this?
So like, why does this Prius look like it belongs in a car advertisement? Oh yeah. That looks sick. Do another Western Auto picture because for the culture. I wonder if I can get a picture of this Broadway and 18th with Western Auto in the background. I think that would look pretty sick. Oh yeah, dude, that looks so cool. Or what if I do the one-way pointing to... I don't want to get that low. That's kind of cool. I think that'll do for now as a casual get up and go. Yeah, so a little quick bit out here in Kansas City, taking pictures, and stay tuned for future stuff. I want to make this a consistent thing where I'm going out and about showcasing what's around Kansas City, because I want to do more travel stuff. It gives people insight to what's around Kansas City in case they want to come around here. If you're into nightlife, I'll be covering nightlife. If you're into outdoorsy stuff, I'll be covering outdoorsy stuff. And so if you're into that stuff, stay tuned for more, and like, subscribe, share with your friends, and all that good stuff. So